Hi students, this is Uma. In this video, I am going to explain the periodic table and its classification. So this is your long form of periodic table, children. So, and also called modern periodic table. Here 18 vertical columns are there, children. These are called groups. And here 7 horizontal rows are there. These are called periods. And here the elements are classified into 4 blocks: S block, S block, P block, D block and F block. So the element in which the valency electrons enter into the s orbital are called S block elements. Let us see the examples and the S block elements. Here and this is the periodic table, children. And here left side of the periodic table, the elements are called S block elements. First A group and second A group elements are called S block elements, except hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the first A group elements. So first A group elements are called alkali metals, and the general electronic configuration of alkali metals is NS1. NS1. N represents shell number, children. N represents shell number. If n equal to 1, it is first shell or K shell. So NS1 is the last shell electronic configuration. That means electrons which are present in last shell or valence shell or ultimate shell. So here if you write the electron configuration for any element in any group, then you can understand the element belongs to which group and which period. Here if you write the electronic configuration for lithium, you get the electronic configuration for lithium 1s to 2s1. Here only one electron is present in the s orbital of second shell. That means second shell is the last shell, children. That means it represents the shell number, period number. So lithium belongs to second period, and only one electron is present in the s orbital. That means here the element lithium belongs to first A group, and the valence electron is present in s orbital. So that's why the element belongs to S block. Okay, children, you can understand by writing the electronic configuration, the electron belongs to which group and which period and which block. So children, this is about first A group element. First A group elements are called alkali metals, and except hydrogen. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Except hydrogen, all these are the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, or the alkali metals. If you write the electronic configuration, you get the electronic configuration for lithium. 2s1 is the last shell electronic configuration, and 3s1 is the valence electronic configuration for sodium, and for potassium you will get 4s1 and 5s1 for rubidium, 6s1 for cesium and 7s1 for francium. So this is about first A group element, children. And alkali metals, that means first A group elements are the lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. So they able to form monovalent cation by losing one electron from their valence shell. So here for example, sodium, by losing one electron, by removing one electron from the valence shell of the sodium, it gives a monovalent cation. So children, by writing the electron configuration, you can understand the element belongs to which group and which period and which block. So here NS2 is the general electronic configuration for second A group elements. So what are those, children? Which elements are belongs to second A group element? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So all these elements are present in second A group, children. So When you write the electronic configuration for second A group, you will get 2 electrons in the valence shell of them. So here, if you write the electronic configuration for beryllium, you will get 1s2, 2s2 is the electronic configuration. That means only 2 electrons are present in the valence shell. That means valence shell is here second orbit. So second orbit contains only 2 electrons, and here that too present in s orbital. S orbital. So that's why it belongs to s block. S block. S block. Lithium is the s block element. Beryllium is the s block element, and having only 2 electrons in its valence shell. So that's why it belongs to second group element, and second period belongs to second period. Here, if you write the electron configuration for calcium, you will get 4s2 is the electronic configuration. That means period number is the 4. Period number is the 4. Group number is the 2, because contains 2 electrons in the valence shell, and block is the S block. What is the name of block, children? Here S block. It belongs to S block and second group and fourth period. So by writing the electronic configuration, you can easily understand where it located in the periodic table. So that's it, children. And second A group elements are also called alkaline earth metals, children. And the general electronic configuration for second A group elements is Ns2. So this is about the second A group elements, children. Second A, first A group are called S block elements. If you write the electronic configuration for these elements, you will get s electron, s orbital in their valence shells. So that's why these are belongs to S block elements, children. So here in next video I will keep P block elements, children. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.